Hello traders, in this video I'm going to share you with guys the supply and demand trading strategy that is based on the price action. I have found a very decent indicator that automatically plots the supply and demand key areas on your screen, and you will be able to do profitable trading. You can use the strategy starting from the 5-minute time frame, and even you can, if you're a scalper, for a very short time you can trade on the 3-minute, and if you're a day trader you can apply the strategy on the 15-minute, 30-minute and the 1 hour time frame. It depends on you that which time frame you want to trade, so it will automatically draw these levels. So now let's move towards the strategy. So first of all, we will be going to add the indicator. So before I start this indicator to add on my chart, so let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. You can book your 1 hour coaching session with me. I have taught the price action just in 1 hour to many of my students. They went successful. I have shared their success stories into the Telegram group. So please find the link of the Telegram link in the description of this video. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, that offers you variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen. So this is one of the regulated and top brokers, so you can use this broker for sure. The link is given in the description of this video. Okay guys, so in order to add the indicator, we need to write supply and demand, and then we will write visible. Okay, visible range. So this indicator is called supply and demand visible range, and this is by Lux Algo, and you can see only the numbers are not huge right now, and it will be popular soon. So you can see 2168 traders are using it. So if I click this indicator, so you can see it is attached on my screen. Okay, so guys, it will be subject to changing all the time because it will be going to plot the right areas for you. So if you see any kind of it is the movement in the indicator, so do not be confused with it, because this is how this indicator works. Okay, so as you can see that we have two type of areas on our screen. The upper level that is providing us with the supply level, and this is kind of a demand level. So we can simply take our trades according to it. So you can use this indicator in combination with your other strategies, but you will know that this could be a possible demand area. So while using any indicator, you can at least consider this indicator for the a demand area. Demand area means that from here the market can move up. Okay, right now it is also plotting you that this is also a demand area that has become, because right now you can see the market is here. So do not be worried about the movement. Like you can see, it is going up, it is going down. Okay, so don't worry. Even if we are going to trade as per the order block, so it basically becomes your order block here, right? Okay, so this is the way that it is indicator is plotting you that this is the possible demand area as well. Okay, so it is basically, you can say that this indicator is just like working as a friend on your chart that is going to guide you in a very nice way. Okay, so guys, similarly, if I show you that it would be working on anything like gold, so gold had almost reached to the supply area, so near to the supply area. So instead of buying, you should be taking care of the selling opportunities, so you can plan your trades according to that. Okay, so let's have a look on NZD JPY. That was the supply area. You can see we have already the drop. Okay, so this is how, this is a simple indicator that is plotting the various points on your screen. So let's have a look on the 1 minute, because some traders like to trade on the 1 minute. So if you're a 1 minute trader, then guys, still it's very good, because if you look at gold, you can see that that was the supply area. The market was down, then it came into the demand area, then we have seen the price has flown into the upward direction. Okay, so it means that we can still take a benefit even on the 1 minute trading, but this is not a very good a quick scheme that you are just going to take a buy and sell immediately. No, actually, if you look at here, the gaps are very good. Okay, the gaps are very good. It's not as immediate as you can expect. Okay, right now on NZD USD, you can see it has almost reached to the that's the supply area. Okay, so this is how you can even trade on the 1 minute, 3-minute time frame, any time frame that you would like to take a charge. You can definitely trade with this one. So you can see that as per the order block, the market is here, and as per the supply area, it has already plotted a key level for you. So this is the simple method that you can follow, and you can use the other strategies that you already have. Okay, so guys, use this one and make a back test as well, and try it on your demo account, and if you feel it comfortable with your trading, then you can use it on your live account. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, share the videos, and those subscribers who want to learn price action, because nothing is best than the price action, so they can come to Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.